Introducing the all-new Corolla.
Attorney General Lenny Rapadas says that Judge Arthur Barcinas did not dismiss the gaming machine case based on its merits, but rather based on a procedural issue.
So he didn't look at the issues of whether or not gambling devices are illegal or not legal, and it also didn't rule on the Governor's Council's request to have our office recused.
Rapadas says that the important issues were not decided, and he says this means there are no winners in this case, which is why he intends to appeal Judge Barcinas' decision to dismiss the complaint. Judge Barcinas dismissed the case because he felt that the AG's office hadn't exhausted all of their means of remedy. That is, that the AG's office should have filed a complaint with the Department of Revenue and Taxation, initiating administrative hearings first before taking the matter to court.
The judge indicated that he thought that we had to go first to DRT to request a ruling on those regulations. And we disagree with that.
Deputy AG Pat Mason says they disagree because this all stems back to a lawsuit filed by Guam Music Inc. in 2008, in which they sued GovGuam to get their licenses back because they had them taken away by Rev-and-Tax.
And then the Attorney General's office learned that the director of DRT was issuing and was going to issue licenses at the directive of the governor for these gaming devices. And so upon learning of that, the Attorney General's office immediately sent a letter to DRT telling them that these devices were illegal and they should not issue licenses based on that.
Mason says that a second letter was sent to DRT, but DRT ignored both letters. This is why he believes that they have exhausted their administrative remedies. Mason says it makes no sense to go back and deal with DRT again after DRT had already revoked the licenses, then reissued the licenses, and then ignored two letters from the AG saying that the machines are illegal.
They are gambling devices that are not legal on this island, bottom line.